my channel. In today's video, I don't have a recipe for you guys, but I wanted to take the time to wish you all a happy and a healthy Diwali. Now, Diwali is the Hindu festival of lights which celebrates Mother Laxshmi, who's the goddess of wealth, the goddess of prosperity, as well as light. So I hope that the Diwali light shines bright in your homes. I wish Mother Lakshmi's choicest blessings onto each and every one of you. And I want to thank you guys for one of my biggest blessings, you guys. All of you guys have been wonderful, subscribing to my channel, viewing my channel, leaving all your wonderful comments, and I really appreciate it. It's a great way to celebrate Diwali, and it's a great milestone for me today. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Please stay tuned. I have my family and some of my friends wishing you guys a happy Diwali. So from my kitchen to yours, I hope you guys have a prosperous day, a joyous day, and make sure you guys eat something sweet. I have multiple Diwali recipes on my channel. I'll have all of the information in the description box down below with all of their links. There's so many sweets you guys can make today. Make sure you guys make something nice. Share it with your friends and family, and go ahead and just enjoy all of them.
Hi Matthew, wishing you a happy Diwali.
May your light within always shine bright, and may brightness never leave your side. Love you.
Hi Matthew, happy Diwali. I want to wish you lots of happiness and prosperity and good health. I love you.
Wishing everyone a happy Diwali.
Wishing everyone a happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Hello, I'm Chandra Matthews, and I'd love to take this opportunity to wish you and your loved ones a very happy Diwali. Thank you for always watching and supporting Matthew with all of his favorite dishes. May you and your family enjoy all of the lovely vegetarian dishes and sweets Matthew has published for us to enjoy. Thank you, and have a happy and a healthy Diwali.
Hi Matthew, it's me, Aunty Chitra, your favorite auntie. I just wanted to share my memory growing up with Diwali. We would set our diyas out early in the morning, head out to school, and share our stories with our friends as to what we were going to do for the night and what they were going to do with their family for the evening. My biggest memory and my happiest memories are when my mom would get home. She would start to cook, and within 2-3 hours she's done cooking the whole 7 curry and parsads and sweets. Along with my grandma from downstairs, she would come up and she would help us do what we needed to do. What we didn't know how to do, she would help us do. She would teach us to do what we needed to do, which was great because we still carry on whatever she taught us, and what my mom has taught us, we still carry on. Once the cooking was done, we would all sit down. We would take showers, do our pujas at the altar, come back, and everybody lights up the diyas. Everyone had 2 diyas to light and to put wherever you wanted to put, whether it was inside or outside. And we would all race outside to the outside, try to get your diya outside, and then put it amongst the house. After that, we would sit, eat, and partake in our parsad. Once we were done, my mom would make parcels, and we would have to drop it to all of our aunts and uncles that lived nearby, which was great because you not only drop off, you're also picking up, because everybody wants to share their meal with you and share their parsad for their Diwali with you as well. So it was great because it's you're sharing and you're getting back their blessings, which was great. That's my biggest memory, is just cooking together and being together, and we used to pray together. We still do what we need to do. And with your channel, you're helping us, you're helping everyone else see how we do things, and sharing your talent with everybody, and our recipes and our culture, and that's all that matters, right? Is sharing your happiest of moments and what keeps your family together. And you're doing a really good job, Matthew. And I would just want to say thank you, and thank you to everyone that has subscribed to your channel. And may everybody have a blessed and happy Diwali. And that's it. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.
Happy Diwali.
Hi everyone, happy Diwali.
Hi, we want to wish everyone a happy Diwali from our family to yours. Have a blessed day. Happy Diwali.
Hi, I'm Reshmi from Taste of Trini here on YouTube, and I wanted to say happy Diwali 2018 to Matthew and all the viewers at Matthew's Guyanese Cooking. I hope Diwali sends you a lot of love, happiness, peace, prosperity, and everything that you wish for. May Mother Laxshmi send all her blessings your way, and may the lights of Diwali illuminate your lives and destroy all negativity. I hope that you all get lots of food lots of roti and plenty sweets. So happy Diwali 2018. I hope you all have an amazing day.
Hi guys, this is Natasha from the YouTube channel Trini Cooking with Natasha, and I'd like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a happy and holy Diwali. May the light and love of Mother Laxshmi come into your home, and may she shower her blessings upon you. My greatest memory of Diwali growing up is as a child helping my mom in the kitchen. Then we'll get dressed, have our puja, and then we'll light our diyas. Such a wonderful time, and it's a time that I always looked forward for. So growing up in a family like that, I brought all of those traditions with me here in the US. So again, from my family to yours, may you have a holy and happy Diwali. Bye.
Hello everyone, Sitaram, Namaste, Vanakkam, Shubh Diwali to everyone from Navin and crew over at Trini-Indian Kitchen. I'd like to give Matthew a pretty big thanks for allowing me to be part of this video and wishing you guys this year. One of my favorite memories of Diwali is being able to come home early from school. So one day in the year, my mom would allow me to come home early and we'd just get right into the Diwali spirit. I helped my grandmother make dal puri. I make a whole bunch of sweets, which you've probably seen in my previous videos. I'd light up like 50 diyas, like fill them with oil, like make the wicks out of the cotton and everything. And it's just like the one day in the year where I thoroughly enjoy being at home and just enjoying like this peaceful Diwali atmosphere. So once again, Shubh Diwali, happy Diwali to everyone. Hope you guys have an awesome, safe holiday. For those of you that get a public holiday, we don't here yet. But yes, thank you guys once again. Shubh Diwali once again, and I'll see you another day.
Alright guys, that video was so fun and so exciting for me to put together. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I want to wish you all a happy and a prosperous Diwali. I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you guys enjoy yourselves and enjoy your family and friends. That's the most important part. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and go ahead and comment down below. Tell me what you guys are doing for this Diwali. I would love to hear your plans and give me some more recipe ideas. What would you guys like me to make next? I'll see you guys again in another one of my recipes.